guys, today we're going to be crocheting. I did something like this before, and knitting is just ilinipea brain damage. I'm not gonna lie, it gave me brain damage. So today we're going to be doing something similar, but it's crocheting, and I'm going to make this video as short as possible because ile ingine hadi nilichoka kuedit. Like it was long. It took longer than it should to edit. Umesikia, it's much more easier and fun. Knitting is harder, so we're going to be crocheting, and we have a goal that we want to achieve. Obviously, as the other video I did kwa knitting, nilikuwa na goal. I achieved it, but haikuwa inakaa vizuri. But at least I achieved. So for this video, we are going to be making a small drawstring pouch. Kaya dogo hivi, I'll just put a picture representation, though you're exactly the same. The only difference ni hiyo ni pink na mimi natumia purple by Robin. The string will also be white. Yes. So pink na hii ni purple. That's the only difference, but everything else it will be just like a small thing ya kuwekea kutoka coins ama kuwekea kuwekea the earrings, necklace, you know, because necklace zangu ziko everywhere. They just naziwekanga tu. I just throw them around. I'll be just telling you step 1, step 2. So if you don't know how to crochet, meet with me. Yes, virtually. Let's start. Okay, so nimepata video ya kutumia. I'm going to use this phone. Nimepata video. Let's just open this now. Okay. I had to use purple. Purple is my favorite color. So I'll be making a single crochet stitch. I'll be making a single crochet thingy, like stitch. Start kujiona sana and then niende left. So we'll be making a single stitch. Kuna tunafanyanga hadi sijui double, triple. Sijafika huko. Maybe if I finish this video early, I can do the double and maybe the triple. I'm not promising anything, but I'm just saying. Okay. So we are making first the knots. That's the first step. At least najua sasa basics, because I did that knitting video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. Okay, so just gonna make the stitch. It's kind of hard, just niko na nails, but anyway, sawa. Like a small nini yenye inaweza pita like this. Apparently, you make it tight, but si tight sana. Yenye inaweza move. Okay, we're going to make the base. Sindio? Hivyo naitonga foundation. We wrap like this. What? Nikwaje? Onda hiyo. You wrap and then you just work your way in. So let me make my first layer and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with the base part. Naka hivyo inaka braid. Mbona nafaa kukaa apparently. I've made 21 chains because sitaki hiyo pouch ikuwe kubwa. Nataka tu kadogo. The one that I can just carry anywhere I'm going, when I'm going to school, when I'm going to church, whatever. So that's the size of the base. Now let's go to step 2, which is kwenda sasa juu. Juu ndo base, sasa tunaenda hivi juu. Cha tusikie yenye inaendwa juu.
Call it the turning chain.
Okay.
Now insert your hook into the second chain counting from the hook.
Wait, what? Tunaingisha. We're going to add an additional chain. Yenye haita count kwa hizo nini. So just gonna add one more. That. And then tunaenda kwenye iko hapo chini, right?
Now insert your hook into the second chain counting from the hook.
Okay. See got the first chain. Ona vile nawafunza nikana. So kuna hii chain ya kwanza. I won't add on that chain. Nitaenda kwa ya pili. I just add it like this. No. And then you'll have 2 chains like that. Oops, imetoka. Oh my god. Oh, kosa. We're gonna grab the uzi and then pull it through the first like loop like that. And then you're going to loop again and pull it through both of the loops like that. Making progress. You're making progress. Okay. 1 to the next loop and then you just hook again. Pull and then hook and then pull. So basically you're just hooking, pulling. It's coming along, it's coming along, it's coming along. Then the next you just hook kwa your base and then you just pull through. And then you hook and then you pull. It's coming along. Now let's speed it up. I'm done with the first layer. Na imetokea vizuri. It's not like leveled, but it's my first time. So just understand, okay? That's how it looks. Pretty good, honestly. For the first time, it's good to me. This is actually, and this one is fun than knitting. Hey, knitting na ilikuwa tunapea mtu ilikuwa inafanya tu uchoke, like unaangalia hizo vijiti yenye like let me just finish. Lakini this one is actually fun. I can see me doing this like off camera. Literally for fun. Hopefully it's on the left. No, Jesus. Shikilia tu progress. Sasa sijui venye I should go up here ndo niendelee ikue like a big wall. Nike wall. So acha tuendelee kuwatch.
Insert your hook in the next stitch.
So next we're going to add an additional chain stitch. But we're just gonna add this, that. We've added 1 over there. And then we're gonna turn the work over like this. We're gonna turn like this, okay? How? Sasa ametana aje? Oh! You're here. There you go. So apparently this one is a bit different. Nimewatch tena and so apparently unafai kutoa. Oops, sorry. Haki sitoke. Oh no, you're on that one. No. So we're going to go up here and take 2 strands, not 1 anymore. Tulikuwa tunachukua moja. But now we're going to take 2. Now let's work. Let's work now.
1 eternity later.
Guys, here's the progress. Ndio hiyo akinaenda vizuri. Unaona hadi? Ndio hiyo.
This journey.
The 3rd, 4th, 5th, mpaka ikwe the average. Like, ebo kipe? Aya. Tunaendelea. Mpaka ikwe refu. Ikwe the pouch that I want. Cha tuendelee. third strand in, third layer, third in, row in. Tuendelee. Fourth row, fifth, sixth. Hey, mi nabambika na hiki by the way. I don't know, I should start doing this as therapy.
Free therapy.
Free therapy.
6.5 hours later.
Fourth row in. Wow. Pretty. Naka vizuri. Let's keep going.
Approximately 10 hours later.
We're moving swiftly. Let's keep going. We're not giving up. Yes. And I repeat, this one is better than knitting. Argue the wall.
2,000 years later.
This is enjoyable. I'm actually loving this. Tuendelee.
75 years later.
Also, I made the wall. Then you nataka like the size. I feel like the size is okay. Imagine he and then another one like this. For first time, I love crocheting. You know what? Knitting is nashinda nikirudia but nitarudia. Knitting is just not for me. But this is fun because I know how to do it. Now let's make the curve. So I think the curve, we'll just do this. Skip mingi, nitatichia hapa hivi. Unaona hapo? Instead of ya kwanza huku mwanzo. Hiyo Kenya nilikuwa naendeleza sijui kushonea hivi karibu ati ndo ijikunje hivi. Yeah, it failed. Ama ni sijui kuifanya. I don't know kama ndivyo nafanya. So I just decided to just continue. I've continued. Naona venye nilikuwa naenda ndani mpaka ikajikunja hapa. Yeah, but I think you can just stretch it like this. Hold on. I've made this long thing, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fold it like this, and then I'll just shona this side, and then I'll put the string. Yeah. Okay, so wait, first before we start, nimetoa the other side of the string from huku ndani. Ndio nisi disrupt kenye inaendelea hapa. No. So I've just removed the other side. Now we're going to shona. It has gone better than I expected. Thank you, Lord. This is how it looks like. But the work is not done. This has to have a cinch ile ya kuchu. You know? So tutaweka hapa juu. We're almost done. We are almost done. For the drawstring, I know I said in the beginning of the video, I said I'm going to use white, but I changed my mind. I'm using black. Okay, this one is already used, so I'm going to use a black one, a very small piece. Si kubwa sana. I'm just going to start kama vile tulianza tu mwanzo. You put a knot there, like that, and then just put it inside. So basically you're going to make a base. Kabla tulianza, just going to make a base na hiyo ndio itakuwa string. Hivyo tu peke yake. Let's work on it.
5 minutes later.
Basically just continue until your preferred length. And I feel like this is a good length. This will be my drawstring. It will fit. It will fit. Okay, so now let's tie. No. How do I tie? Okay, I'm gonna try and like that. Yes. So you have this in the middle like that, and then huku mwisho kuna hiyo ka string moja na pia hizo ingine kuna ka string kamoja. Now let's put this into this. Let's try. Finally done. And here is the final result. Kuna strings za kufunga. Nyuma inakaa hivyo. Oh my god. That's how it looks inside. Tuone tukistring litakaa. That's how it looks. Ukifinya. Acha niweke bow. Looks so cute. So cute. Alafu nafungwa tu hivi. Just take what you want. Let's try and put things inside. Tujaribu kuweka bangles. Girlie. My gosh. Because beads itaanguka. Ikuwe messy. So kuna tu vile zinaanguka huku all over. Nimeamua nitaweka like beads. This one's over here. Let me take some more. Okay, nimeongezea. Let's see if this can hold my bangle. You can just cinch it up like that. And you can just carry what you want. And it's so small. Even though inakaa hapa juu, you cinch. You can just tie this up, by the way. This video was a success. And I'm thanking the Lord. Si kama ile ya kunit. If you love this video, show love as well to my channel. If you found this video educative, kama uko unajua ku crochet, we learned together. And if you did, welcome you to the squad. Because now, stay tuned for next Wednesday for my next video. And